I cannot believe you just said that. A venti, iced, half-calf, oat milk latte, extra foam, with 2 pumps of vanilla and 1 pump of sugar-free caramel. That's not a coffee, it's a science experiment.
Hey, I'm specific. At least I didn't just mumble one coffee, please, and hope for the best. I got exactly what I wanted. Can you say the same?
I got a coffee. It tastes like coffee. Mission accomplished. You, on the other hand, recited your memoir and held up the line for 5 minutes.
It's one of the great debates. How specific should you be when ordering coffee?
And today we're settling it. We're going to teach you how to order with confidence, no matter which side you're on.
And maybe I'll finally teach him the difference between a macchiato and a latte.
All right, let's start with the foundation. If you don't want milk, you order a black coffee. Simple. What's there to even discuss?
Oh, if only it were that easy. What kind of black coffee? Are we talking about a classic drip coffee, or do you want an espresso-based drink like an Americano or a long black?
See, you're already overcomplicating it.
The details matter. An Americano is an espresso shot with hot water poured on top. For a long black, the espresso is poured over the water, which preserves that beautiful crema on top.
Okay, but 99% of people won't notice that. The real crime is saying expresso instead of espresso. Can we agree on that?
On that, we can agree. But knowing the terms helps. If you want a straightforward filtered coffee, ask for drip coffee. If you want an espresso shot with hot water, you want an Americano or long black. And a ristretto is a short, sweeter shot of espresso.
Or you could just say, "Can I get a black coffee?" and trust the person who does this for a living. Don't be afraid to ask. Now we're entering the danger zone, the milky abyss. Lattes, cappuccinos, flat whites. It's all just espresso and milk, right?
This is exactly why we need this talk. They are fundamentally different drinks, and it's all about the ratio of espresso, steamed milk, and foam.
Please enlighten us.
A classic cappuccino is a game of thirds: 1/3 espresso, 1/3 steamed milk, and 1/3 thick foam. A cafe latte is way milkier, with just a little bit of foam on top. It's a smoother, less coffee-forward drink.
So a cappuccino is foamy, a latte is milky, simple enough. But then you have the flat white.
The flat white is the perfect happy medium. It usually has a stronger coffee flavor, often with 2 espresso shots, and a very thin, velvety layer of microfoam.
I have to admit, that actually sounds good. But what about the true macchiato?
Ah, the macchiato. It means stained in Italian. It is a shot of espresso that is just stained with a tiny dot of milk foam. It is not that giant caramel-drizzled sugar bomb that some big chains sell. That's just a flavored latte.
A fantastic point. Knowing the basics, latte, cappuccino, macchiato, will save you and your barista a lot of confusion.
This is my favorite part, the part where you make a drink yours. We're talking syrups, milk alternatives, extra shots.
And this is where sanity goes to die and lines get held up. If your order has more than 5 changes, you're doing too much.
It's only a problem if you're messy about it. There's a proper formula for ordering that makes it efficient and clear.
A formula. Oh boy, here we go.
It's simple. Temperature to size to drink. Name to modifications. Stating iced or hot up front is a pro move that stops the barista from having to ask at the end.
Okay, I'll admit that makes sense. What comes after the drink name?
Then you list modifications in this order: espresso shots, milk choice, syrups, and finally, special requests like extra foam.
Ugh, the extra hot people. You do realize you're just asking them to scald the milk and ruin the flavor, right?
I agree, extra hot is a mistake that kills the taste, but the formula lets them ask clearly. For my order, the right way is, "Hi, could I please get a venti iced half-calf latte with oat milk, 2 pumps of vanilla, and 1 pump of sugar-free caramel?" See? It's a lot, but it's delivered cleanly.
I'll give you that. It is way less chaotic. And notice she said, "Could I please get?" Politeness goes a long way.
Exactly. So we've broken it all down, and now we want to hear from you.
We've shown you both sides, the purist and the customizer. So tell us in the comments, what is your go-to coffee order? And what's the most disastrous coffee order you've ever witnessed?
So after all of that, what did we actually learn here today?
We learned that the right way to order coffee isn't about being simple or complex. It's about being clear, concise, and polite.
Exactly. Whether you're ordering a simple black coffee or a custom creation, good communication is key.
I can get on board with that. Know the basic terms, especially for a classic drink like a macchiato or cappuccino. And if you don't know, just ask. Any good barista would much rather explain something than remake a drink you don't like.
And if you're going to get fancy, follow the formula: temperature, size, drink name, and then your modifications. It'll get you exactly the drink you want, every single time.
So whether you're a Chloe or a Ben, you now have what you need to walk into any coffee shop and order with total confidence. Go forth and get caffeinated.
Thank you for watching the video, and if you liked the video, please subscribe and like the video.
That's it for today. See you in the next episode.